Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily change your text scaling in Google Chrome in Android. So for example I will show you on Xiaomi how you can do it. So just open your Google Chrome browser and just go here, click here and choose here you need to choose settings. Go to settings and in settings you scroll down and here you will find accessibility. So just open accessibility, just click on it and here you'll find in first line text scaling. So just here you can see that I successfully make it bigger or smaller by swiping on my finger. So as normal it is 100%, so it's like a normal mode. So if you make more than 100% it will be bigger, and if you make less than 100% it will be smaller than it's normal it's now. So that's how it works. You just leave it after you change it. For example, I want to make it 120. I just leave it left and just go back. So now if we will open it you see that it successfully changed. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.